So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily place your bike on a paddock stand. So the first thing is that we have to buy a paddock stand. So there are like two types of paddock stand. This one that I have bought is the universal type, which has this type of mount. The other one is for mounting on the spools. So you can see that there is place for the place to add the spools over here. So that is for the hook type ones which we have to place with the spool. So the one I have is a universal type. So how to put this is that first we have to check the swing arm. So you can see that on the swing arm for my bike there is a spool adaptive space for the spools to be added. So if your bike doesn't have that, check on the swing arm which has a level surface. So you can see that this is a place where we have the level surface on my swing arm. So what we have to do is that first you have to take the paddock stand. You have to put it till you place the level surface or the place where you have the spools. So you can see that I have placed this side where I have the spools, and also correctly check if you have it over here. So while placing your left hand on the bike, adjust all the weight on your hand. So at first it will be a little bit hard. So once you get, after doing it 2-3 times, it should be easy. So once you have actually placed the paddock on the correct place of your spool, you can say that the bike will balance on the paddock itself easily. So after that, what you have to do is that just gently push on the paddock. You can see that it is actually easily placed. See, this is the easiest way we can put a bike on a paddock. So to take the bike off from a paddock, always make sure that you have the kickstand always to the side. So never ever take off your bike from the paddock if your stand is not out. So at first just put your stand outside, and the thing that you have to be always careful is that always stand to your side, and as the bike gets to the ground, what you have to do is that always push it to the side which you have the side stand. So gently take this up and push the bike to the left side and just easily place it to the side stand. So this is the easiest way that you can actually put your bike on the paddock stand. So for more videos, actually subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.